Hi, kids. Happy Thursday. I miss you all so much, and I wish that we could be in the class together. Hopefully, it will not be very long. I hope that you all got outside yesterday and did something fabulous in the beautiful weather that God gave us. I'm starting this morning with math, and I'm not going to give a specific lesson because it is about counting quarters, dimes, nickels, and pennies. And we have worked on that a whole bunch, and you all have gotten very good at that. But it is still something we need to practice. So, kiddos, I would tell your parents, if they can, to collect a bunch of change, or maybe even go to the bank when they have a chance to get a bunch of change, so that you can practice this at home. If you could have $2 worth of quarters and a bunch of dimes and a bunch of nickels and a bunch of pennies, that would be awesome. If not, don't worry, because you can always draw the circles and put the money amounts in there to help you as we work on our math meeting and we count money each morning. So starting with our math meeting, you are going to either count out with real change $1.51, or you are going to draw a picture of $1.51 using circles and inserting the money amounts in the circle. Now, this is different than we normally do with our math meeting, because when we're at school, we look at it on the board and then we write down the money amount. So here we have to do it the opposite. I'm giving you the money amount, and you are going to have to draw it, or you are going to have to count it out and let your parents check it. I hope that makes sense. Today we are starting with our counting on number 219, and we are counting by, let me find it. I'm sorry, we're not starting at 219. We are starting at number 263. So take a moment and erase that if you need to. And we are counting by 10. So it'd be 263, 273, 283, 293, 303. All the way either on your math meeting sheet or 10 in each row, and do 30 total. I hope that makes sense to parents. We are going to do lesson 107 today, and there is a subtraction sheet and a lesson. And when you do the subtraction sheet, if you can try to do it in 2.5 minutes or under, that would be great. Remember, we are just keeping up with our speed, because I know you all know how important it is to know subtraction facts when we do our double and triple digit subtraction with regrouping, which is a huge thing that you all have done great with. So good for you all. Very, very proud of you. So I'm not going to give a formal lesson. Most of this is just review. Like I said, you're going to count the dimes, the nickels, the quarters, and the pennies. I'm looking at the sheet and thinking if there's anything else I should go over with you. And I believe I will. Give me just a minute. Okay, so the subtraction sheet would be doing if we had the wrap-ups, which we're not doing the wrap-ups, but you are to do those problems as quickly as you can in under 2.5 minutes. And we can only worry about side A. Side B would be great extra practice, but I'm not going to assign that. Okay, so lesson 107. The only thing I'm going to read out loud to you, because I think you all can do the rest of this by yourself, is problem number 1. The grade 2 children at Rideout Elementary School collected cans for recycling. During the first week, they collected 37 cans. During the second week, they collected 88 cans. And during the third week, they collected 96 cans. How many cans did they collect during the first 2 weeks? So you know to underline how many cans did they collect during the first 2 weeks. And then we're going to go back and we're going to bracket the important information. The children in grade 2, that's not important. You can even cross out 2 if you want. Okay, here we go. During the first week, they collected 37 cans. So bracket 37 cans. That's important information. During the second week, they collected 88 cans. That's important information. During the third week, they collected 96 cans. Aha, kids are trying to trick you. We don't want to know about the third week. look back down to what you underlined. How many cans did they collect during the first 2 weeks? So it is there just to trick you. Cross out 96 cans. That is information that they have added in there. And that's what makes it a word problem. And they want to see if we can catch that and not add that into our total. So we have 37 cans plus 88 cans. So go ahead and do that in your workspace and write your number sentence and your answer. Then it says, during which week were the most cans collected? Aha, there it goes back to the third week. So hopefully the third week had 96 cans. Hopefully this helps you. I have full confidence you can do the rest of this by yourself. Your parents can email me, or we can even FaceTime if you have a problem with anything. But work hard, kids, and I miss you all very, very much.